A company has rolled out Claude to technical teams enterprise-wide, encouraging employees to adopt AI as part of their everyday workflow. But for many data engineers, there's still hesitation around using AI to build production data pipelines due to concerns around maintainability, cost, and long-term support. What if AI could enhance existing workflows instead of replacing them? With Declarative Pipelines in Qlik, teams can use tools like Claude Code, VS Code, and GitHub Copilot to build and update Qlik Talend Cloud pipelines using natural language prompts. The result is flexible development, automated pipeline creation, and faster delivery of trusted AI-ready data across the enterprise. Ready to see more? Watch the on-demand webinar for demonstrations of each agentic data engineering agent.